People, I'm back again. You understand? From you see the hot catch, from you see this hot catch on my head, just know I'm back with another video. You understand? This is the same Kendrick Lamar, but now he is performing his hits. He's beat up for that guy. You understand? That same guy, bro. Yo, what go on? What go on? Wall up. People subscribe. Zine? Yes, do not describe. Subscribe. Right now. As me I say. If you brush your teeth, subscribe. If you love the subscribe. If you love God, subscribe. Watch out now. People have vibes time. Big up all of my subscriber them. If you don't subscribe, big up yourself same way, because I know you're gonna subscribe in tomorrow. I know you're gonna subscribe tomorrow. This is the guy performing his hits.
Hold on, Drake.
People follow me on Instagram, Silk Codex also, I understand. And do subscribe to this channel. Name One Code Channel. Alright, subscribe to it on YouTube. Listen pop jazz. You listen dancehall music. You love soca. You love souls. You love rap. You love They Not Like Us. You will hear that on that channel also. One Code Music. Bang! They Not Like Us. See
you ain't gonna say nothing else before, we continue the party?
Yeah, okay.
Alright.
I'm gonna just need a moment of silence for this.
I see black people.
Go! What you say?
Hey, mustard on a deep hot deep bro. Any rap nigga, he a freak though. Man down, call an ambulance. Tell him breathe, bro. Nail a nigga to the cross. He walk around like, what's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton?
What's up with these jabroni ass to keep the guns to keep popping? What's up with that?
Fuck them all in they mama. How many op really got?
People run up and subscribe now. Make me see subscribe button jump now.
There's too many
make it subscribe button jump like rabbit. Kufun.
Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up the store with him. Walking down, whole time I know he got some.
Bro, this guy know his lyrics. He's in man miss. Him miss. Not at all, bro.
Say Drake,
I think you like him young.
You better not ever go to cell block one. See any bitch that talk to him and they're in love, just make sure you hide your little sister.
Oh, I think alright, I say him get the wap.
Tell me, Chuck, I wanna get your hand me down and party at the party playing with his nose now. And Papa got a real taste. Why is he around? Certified little boy, certified gun stuff.
Dog, I see
fuck him up.
Wap, I be a wap now.
Why you calling like
you feel a skilly bang wap? The wap are different. This wap is different. Drake, run, bro. In the previous video, I say run for your life. Bro, run off I earth right now, bro. Leave on a fire rocket.
Leave. Trying to strike a chord, and it's
probably ain't minor. Bro, what them go do? How them go do? What you go do now? You're minor. You know, pause the party too. In pause the party. Trouble. Tough. Kendrick Lamar, big up yourself. A ball game from the midfield there. The one you score. Yeah. Pedophile. Minor. You love kids. Are you kids? You love kids. You're minor.
Yeah. Oh, so y'all ain't gonna let nobody disrespect.
Hold on. In the music video, bro, he was playing that game on the ground saying minor. If you go back and watch that video, bro.
Close, huh?
Bro, the man still
y'all ain't gonna let
fans,
nobody
bro.
mock and imitate our legends, huh?
Bro, some of these people ain't loyal, bro.
Let's try it.
Trust me. Let's try again. Lock off the light. Make your man set up incarcinated now. Man have to sing. Bro, do remember this is a live performance. You understand? In Westcott. You get me and say maybe with Westcott. You understand? Yeah. Me don't know where the performance Live performance. Blah, 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 blah. But at the full performance, see? Yeah. They not
How
like
many
us.
options you really got? I mean, it's too many options. Been a pass on this body, yo. Say. Certified boogeyman. Walking down, whole time I know he got some hold on him. Pull on him, extra shit, bully death on him. Say Drake.
I'm hating like I'm young. They dog hate Drake like him young, not like him big. When
Just
him
make sure
young,
you have your
charge
system. They tell me Chubbs the only one that get you. And party at the party playing with us. And Baka kinda weird.
hate Drake like him young. Me did I go say when him young still, but I don't know, maybe next
Why?
year.
Certified lover boy.
Certified. Wap. Wap again.
Why you trolling like a bitch, ain't you? Trying to strike a chord.
Probably. People subscribe right now. If you're not subscribed, you're a minor. Zin? Yes, subscribe if you're not a minor. Subscribe. At the minor dance that, bro. That is the minor dance move. We rate them have all of the dances in our video then. People follow me on Instagram. Okay, follow me on Instagram. Silk Code X. Big up. This stuff, bro. Bro, it feel like my day at the concert, bro. Like my day at the performance. I'm at the performance. That's how it feel, guys. That's how it feel like I'm at the performance. Trouble. Like a man will show with the mic.
One more time.
One more time, bro. I see what's time you can get what? Bro, one more time. Want to stop it? Hey, stop it song. Run it one more time. I mind you get a whap. Dog a cooler, cause in the hot in it. You see me? Yeah man, dog a cooler. Remember, you know, you have to make this soak in people brain, you know. Yes. Soak and know, so you are baking today. Bake if I know yesterday or today now. And you know like us, eh? Bro, this thing tough, bro. Tough, bro.
My nigga DJ motherfucking Mustard, hold up.
Trouble. People go over and subscribe to this channel right now. Subscribe. Remember, follow one code music as well. Yo, this thing tough, bro. They not like us, bro. I'm gone with it, bro. I see this music all over. All over I see this music.
You sure?
You're sure? Do you sure?
No, boy.
What you see? Hey, comment what do you see? What do you see? Knock knock knock. What do you see? What you see?
Who is he?
What you see?
Mustard on the beat, help people, any rap nigga here. Man down, call it emblems, tell him breathe, bro. Tell a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tito.
Bro, if you love this song, bro, subscribe to my channel right now, bro. If you love this song, subscribe, bro. Run it, please.
The industry get heavy, fuck 'em all.
Run it, please.
How many options you really got? I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna spaz on his body, I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide your pie with God watching.
Let's get
about it. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to walking down whole time. I know he got some pull on him, extra shit. Bully
Let's
up
get.
on him. Say Drake. I hear you like 'em.
Oh.
You better not ever go to cell block. To any nigga talk to 'em and they in love, just make sure you hide your little.
When get now?
They tell each other
Oh.
only one to get your hand
Bro,
down.
I'm just waiting for that wap part, bro. I cannot, yo. Wap, hurry up. Hurry up and forward now, wap.
And Baka got a weird case.
Wap.
Certified
Let
level.
me catch the atta. When get now?
Certified. Wap, 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 wap. Wap, 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 wap.
What that do? Eh? When say that do?
Why you trolling like a bitch, ain't you? Trying to strike a chord. Aight, they not like.
Hey, if you don't subscribe, you're not like us, you're a minor. Subscribe right now, people, and big up. Yeah. Big up on yourself. They not like us. They not like it.
You think the bank gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga? I think that Oakland show gon' be your last. You can't foul. I don't even know why you still pretending. What is the owl? Bird niggas and bird bitches go. The audience not dumb. Shake the stories how you want. Hey Drake, they not. I mean, hold still.
People them do not slow, Drake. Them is not slow.
Ain't no law boy, you ball boy, first Gatorade or something. Since 2009, I had this bitch jumping. You niggas will get a wedgie. You flipped over your boxer. What over your foes? The other best no option. Pussy, nigga better straight in they pockets. I got favorites all a big Compton. Might write this with a doctrine. Tell the pop star get hiding. Fucking caption, no action. Accident, I'm hands on. He fuck around, get polished. Fuck the Wayne girl while he's in jail. That's the knobbing. Get his face tatted like a bitch apologizing. I'm glad you wrote
Hey,
came
the
home.
beat tough, bro. The man know how to beat Drake, bro. Because the man, like, he might get a lot of love meanwhile performing. Bro, just check it out, bro. People are hailing man meanwhile. I say, yo, slap him again. You see me? I say, yeah, man, one box now in 98. You see me? Yeah, wow.
And your homeboy needs subpoena. That better than moving flocks. That name gotta be registered and placed on label and watch. I lean on you niggas like a little on the rock. All eyes on me and I'ma send it up to.
Bro, Kendrick, to be honest, you need some female on the stage too. You understand as well? Right, that's so. You need some female on the stage, not just man. Every man there's to get a whop right now. As me I say, yeah. But big up all like Kendrick followers them, as me I say. And support as them. Yes, subscribe right now.
Never on me, I'ma get them. Sweet chin music and I won't pass them. How many stock do I really have in stock? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Devil was out, he is 69. Freaky ass niggas need to say they assin'. Hey, my nigga.
I'm general them still. You see me I say, yeah man, I'm thug them there. Figure a whop. You see me I say, 2 box plus 1 kick. Yes.
Hold up. LA definitely this motherfucker. Hey, they not like. Yep, they not like.
People are big tune.
Hey, once upon a time, all of us was enslaved. Homie still double down, calling us.
That's true. Once upon a time.
Railroads and train. Bear with me for a second. Let me put y'all on. The white man was using town, fuck to make them richer. Fast forward 2024, you got the same. I bring to Atlanta when you need a.
People subscribe right now, please.
Hey, you can't feature when you didn't see the. Little baby, help you get some lingo. 21, get your front street. Dog make you feel like you a slime man, yo.
I'm not even remember that this thing is recorded, bro. I feel like I'm right there, right now. It's a matter. It tough.
You a fucking color.
Yeah.
The family matter and the truth for the matter. It was God's plan to show y'all the. Hey, where Cuzzo's at? Where Cuzzo's at? G Perico.
Hey, I love that bounce. The bouncing. Bro, this guy, hey, not gonna say this guy read my mind, bro, but like when I say that, he hear me right here before I even upload this video that I'm going to upload. You understand? I say, bro, send out some females, okay? Yes. If you don't send females, send girls on the stage too. You see me? Yes. So, him hear what me I say. Him hear me. Hey.
Freaky ass, he the 69. Freaky ass, he the 69.
You see, it man know how to beat up Drake face. People,
Hey.
subscribe.
Hey, let me hear you say, Ruga.
Oh.
This Sam, step, then step, step. Are you my friend? Are we? Then step, step, then step.
Oh, he says.
Step. Hold on. Yeah. Bring my nigga, bring my nigga. Hold up. Yup. Are you my friend?
Are you my friend? If you don't subscribe, you're not my friend. Okay? Yes.
This
Subscribe right now to Silk React right now.
D.
See clown there? See clown there now? That
Yeah.
is the clown, bro. Knock, knock, knock. What you say? Them
Come on,
people.
Hey, we ain't never had this. Hold up.
True. Trouble.
Yup, we good. Yup, hold up. Hold up.
Hold up.
We put this shit all together with motherfucking peace. Hold up.
True.
Come on.
Peace, bro.
Come on. Hold up.
Yeah.
Hold up. What time yet? Yes, y'all, come on.
What time?
Fuck that.
Yeah, man. Right now.
Fuck that. Yup.
Badness. Wap. You will make it a wap.
Love. Yup. TL, come on. Fuck that. This shit making me emotional, man. Fuck that. We've been fucked up since Nipsey died. Hold up.
True.
We've been fucked up since Kobe died. Hold up.
Hear me, I say, here I am right here saying true. Like I know what he's talking about. Bro, subscribe. Love the foolishness, I say.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Oh, nigga.
Yeah,
Let the
man,
world see
General
this.
them there, you know?
You ain't
Bro.
seen this many sections on one stage keeping it together and having peace. Hold up.
Peace, man. Peace. This is a live performance, bro.
Come on,
With
Tommy
Kendrick
Girls,
Lamar.
hold up. Yep. We need every section on this motherfucker. We'll show motherfuckers how we do this shit with unity. Yep, come on, bro.
Brawling.
Yep.
Brawling.
Yep. Hey,
See,
come on.
hey, watch it clown ear style.
I ain't never seen this. Hold up.
Them not see it for true. Them last. Them last. Then they are back.
Hold up. What time? Good. Get on them. Come on. We got a whole motherfucking stage out here. We need every section out this motherfucker.
Yeah, man, make the stage full till the stage drop down. People subscribe to the channel.
Everybody spread out, spread out. We got a whole stage. Spread out, spread
Yeah,
out,
man, spread out a bit,
We need
man.
to show everything.
One
spread
kick,
out.
one elbow.
G Perico.
One in nine nose and one in nine jaw. You see me? And in ears. No violence on this channel, though, people. No violence. Just subscribe. See it? You know it's peace all around here. You understand? No violence. Stage full.
Bakalaka.
Yo, all the kid, bro. All the kid come for beat, Drake.
For one nigga. Yep. We're gonna do a group picture. Hold up, how you want it?
So much people want to beat the Drake.
Everybody step back. Everybody step back this way. Everybody step back this way. Step back this way. Step back this way. Step back this way.
Corporation, you know? You have to corporate. Hold on. The female there. A pregnant, you pregnant? Or the pregnant baby in her belly.
And we're gonna take a group pic. We're gonna take a group pic this way. Everybody look this way.
Bro, you can know say a real youth, you know, bro. You can know say Kendrick a real youth, you know. The man say everybody take a pic. The man a take pic and him fans. The man look and it a come from him heart. It not come from him nose. It not come from his nose. It a come from the dog heart. Not in neck. You see me I say? From the heart, bro. Jesus. Group pick.
Schoolboy Q, J-Rock.
Tough. That's why them rate him.
Q-Rock, Afro, hold up.
Rate that, bro. Love and peace, you know. Yeah.
This is unity at its
That
finest.
is it.
Inglewood, California, y'all did this. Los Angeles, y'all did this.
Yeah, man. Los Angeles, y'all did this to my channel. You understand? Subscribe. Subscribe.
This shit make me proud than a motherfucker, man. Y'all
Yeah,
just
man.
don't
I'm
know
proud
this
there
shit
to
give
me,
me
bro.
emotion, dog.
That's the right thing, same way.
Yeah, man, everything.
Yeah, man. Love and peace. General.
We done lost a lot of homies to this music shit. A lot of homies to some street shit.
Yeah, man. You see it. A peace right
For
now.
all of
Love.
us to be on the stage together,
Yeah.
unity from
Unity.
each side of motherfucking LA, Crips, Bloods, Power Rules. This shit is special, man. We put this shit together just for y'all. I'm talking about at rehearsals. Niggas is showing love and respecting each other.
Yo, bro. Yo, hold up. Hold up. Yo, Kendrick, grimy, bro. Like a dog in a swamp, so like a crocodile. You see me I say? It meanwhile, Kendrick taking pictures, people. Meanwhile, this guy taking pictures. The man attack, brawling. Yo, with the pace and with the music, and me I tell you, say, yo, charge you, I get a box. You see me? Plus tax. You see me I say? Yeah. Peace,
Exactly
man.
how
Not
our
tough.
soldiers want to see it. They can't say we can't do it. What you say? They say,
Yo,
yeah, that's right.
all the
that's
video
right.
boy, if me ever did it right there, so and me see my picture up on the internet. Me see this video guy post this picture right here on the internet, and I am not in there. You get a whop right now, bro. God, you have to go take that bat over. Take it back. You see me? Yeah, man. So you better don't let for chop you
Hold
over
up,
there,
we
say
ain't done,
nah
hold
white.
up.
And
Fuck
the
that,
girl
stay
is
right
black
here.
here.
We gonna sit out here
You
all
see me?
motherfucking day. This shit, nah, man. You don't, man. I don't know if you want to the world out there that don't know what's going on. I don't know what you don't know. The individuals on these stage, man. Yeah, come on, man. Y'all don't know how we put this shit together, man, and it's unity.
Yeah, man.
Y'all
Y'all
just
put it
don't
together
know,
like,
man.
yo, you put it together like a puzzle. That's why it's a shovel.
Everybody on this stage got fallen soldiers, but we right here, right now, celebrating all of them. This shit is special.
Brawling.
All
Yes,
talented
full
individuals.
bro.
Where you at?
Yeah, man. People subscribe to the channel.
This shit ain't got nothing to do with no motherfucking song at this point. Ain't got nothing to do with no back and forth records. It got
Yeah.
everything to do with this moment right.
No star. One day for my connection or for them connection. A for them connection. Oh, that's it, people. You understand? I think that's it. I'm not going nowhere else. See black screen. People, you reach the end of the video. You understand? Because they are focusing now. We are all focusing on what is going on now. You see me? So maybe they stop it because of the record label or whatever it is that this guy going to say. But Kendrick Lamar, big up yourself, bro. People, if you're not a minor, if you is not a minor, subscribe to me now. Yes. Leave your comment who win. You understand? I need to see a video or a clapback with Drake's song. If he can do this. Because he get whap whap whap, so couple bucks kick thump. You see me wonder if he's okay. You understand? But yes, still Drake, big up yourself. He's a good artist out there. But you understand? Everybody need a chance, you know. So this is no Kendrick Lamar chance. You understand? People, I'm out. You understand? Yes. But first, subscribe to One Code Music on YouTube. Yes, you love hip hop, pop, dancehall, calypso, soca. What type of music you love? We do not promote the wrong music. You understand? Yes, we don't play the wrong music. We only play the right music. So subscribe to my channel. One Code Music over there. That's my next channel. And this channel, Silk Reacts. Okay? Yes, we're gonna react out right now. You understand? People, big up on yourself. Big up all of my subscribers. You're not a pedophile. My subscriber, you is not a pedophile. Okay? You guys is not a minor. Alright? I'm out. Big up. Bang.